In this video, I will use one of the Python function, describe, to make some statistical analysis, and I will print the result immediately. So let's start with print function first, df dot describe, and hit enter. Now, if you run the code, you will print the statistical analysis for the data that contain float and integer only. So in this code right here, first I will show you the data type, and then I will print the statistical analysis. Hit Control B. Let me move the code a little bit up and adjust this one right. So the first print will show you the data type right here, and the second print line will show you the statistical numbers, the count, the mean, the standard deviation, minimum, the 25 percentile, 50, 70 percentile, and the maximum for each column that contain integer or float. Next, I'm going to show you the statistical analysis for two columns. I'm going to pick city, MPG, and length. If you go back here, I'm going to use this column and this column to display the statistical analysis. So in the next line, print tf city mpg, comma, length, close bracket, dot describe, close parentheses on the describe, close parentheses on the print. Now, when you run the code, you will print data type and you will print this describe for the entire data, and then you will print describe for MPG and length. Hit Control B to minimize it. First line is the first code print is the data type, the second for the entire data set, and the next print is just for city and length. Show you the count, the mean, minimum, and max. And I'm just gonna add a comment right here to remind me that the describe calculate based on a data type.